There's your entrance. We got some monster fish in here. Yeah, hello, Cheap Dave here. Not sure what that building is, but it looks empty. What do you think? Empty or not? Who knows? Anyway, at the bottom end of Soi 4 in Pratumnak, we got Asia Hotel here. This is first time I came to Thailand. I stayed at the Asia. After a week in Bangkok, I came here for 2 weeks. So yeah, very nice hotel. And almost its own private beach. So anyway, what are we going to do? Start with first part of the vlog. It might be 2 separate vlogs yet, I don't know. I'm going to go back to Cabbages Condoms, the restaurant I ate at, I don't know, about a week and a half ago, but I only seen it in the night, so you couldn't see what the views were like from their eating areas. I thought I'd just pop back, take a look. Give you an idea of where I am. There is the tall building is Panora on Soi 5. You got Park Tower in the middle. And my place is just the other side of Park Tower. So we'll have a little look round Cabbages and Condoms. See what it looks like in the daytime. So a nice little driveway in. I've left the bike out on the road this time. All these cages, the lights into the driveway. So there's a further car park over there if the restaurant is over full. That is where we are. Birds and Bees Resort, Cabbages and Condoms. So Birds and Bees Resort, so they've got accommodation here. I would think it's all owned by the same group of people. We'll go into reception. Cabbages Condoms. Yeah. Okay. There's your entrance. We got some monster fish in here. The size of them. Got to be 2 foot long. White one in the distance over there. And you can't really see too much this end. But yeah, they're big. Okay. Okay, so little seating area, a restaurant down this way. These feed our greedy politicians. Right, there are smaller fish in this pool. Can't really see them clearly. You might pick up one or two. I don't know. So we'll have a little look at the signs as we go. Don't steal. Government doesn't like competition. Yeah, so like I say, I came here just over a week ago. Had some dinner here. Weren't cheap, but then it's not a cheap place to come. But it's very nice. There we go, you can have a little read of the signs. Okay. So it's a very political thinking sort of place, no good for me. The more money you spend, the closer you get to heaven. There are fish in here as well. You see them? I don't know whether you can see them or not. Yeah. Right. Have a little read of sign. If you do good, people will accuse you of selfish, ulterior motives. But do good anyway. No wrong with that. These little ponds running through here, stacked. Got this thing here knocking out loads of water. Keep us cool. So you've got the villas over to the right hand side. I think the restaurant is just down here. Different baths for different rooms, and different villas. If you want to take a look at them, there they are. All this mist coming down. We do have a swimming area for the guests. Nice pool. Not going to be cheap here. So, all restaurant area in here. This bit overlooking the sea. When I ate here the other day, we were up there in the crow's nest. It's very nice. Great views if you look out there. So, we've got little walkways from this accommodation here, and then that's where we're going, down to the beach. So yeah, that is Cabbages and Condoms in the daytime. Obviously this is still the grounds. I've got to come all the way back up these stairs with my old legs. I'm having a bit of a paint job going on this deck. So they keep everything spick and span. Open from. Let's have a look if I can get out. So I do want to get out onto the beach. See if it brings any memories back. It must be about 35 years since I was staying around here. Get out. No. Okay, so we've made the beach. It is a beautiful beach. Well, let's take a walk along here. There's Cabbages and Condoms up there. The Birds and the Bees Resort. So I'm heading along here. Just over there we got Kolan. Looks a lot closer than where I'm living anyway. Now up there, the very top deck is the one where I was staying. That'll be it from this, so please like, subscribe, press the bell, and I'll be back for some more junk tomorrow. Started off in the Havana Bistro. Quiet little bar, but hey, you're shy. What's your name? Hannah. That's my daughter's name, Hannah. So this is my first beer.